Well, good evening everybody, welcome back to another upload of It's Dyer thing. Why am I in the bathroom? Because we're going to get a bath together. Woo-hoo! No, I'm just kidding, guys. We're at the end of the season here, right? And it's winter time, and I'm running out of content because I'm not out riding. And we are only now 50 more days to go. 50, count it, 50 more days to go until a super awesome, wicked, fun video that will be coming out very shortly. So keep your calendars on that. And don't forget to hit the notification and the subscription to my channel. This way you'll always be up to date on everything I do. Anyways, tonight we are here. It's Christmas Eve. No, it's not actually. It's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to all of you, and hopefully everybody also has a fantastic Happy New Year. So I am here with my boots. You know what? We are coming. Like I said, we're at the end of the season, and right now, you know what? There's not really much to do, especially living in an apartment, a condo, and stuff like that. So I don't get to kind of go out and wrench on my toys. So in the time being, I basically try to keep up on maintaining my product of my own gear, right? So why do I have my boots here is because, as you can clearly see, they are filthy, they are grummy, they are gruddy, they are dirty, horrible. They're not that bad considering, you know what, I've been running them for almost 3 years now, and you know what, they're okay. I mean, they're definitely not white as they used to be. But why am I getting to that is I gave another pair of my riding boots to a buddy of mine, and he told me something because these boots that I gave to him were also black and white, and he said, oh, if you want to bring the white super nice and back again, all you got to do is buy a specific product, VIM, yes, VIM. You can get it down in the States and in Canada. He says, use that on it and you'll see your white will come back to the way it was. And I was kind of skeptical on it. I'm like, oh, come on, really, honestly? So, long story short, just over last week, my daughter had a pair of her Nike shoes, and she uses those for work, and they were just absolutely filthy. They were just downright gungy dirty, almost like this. And I used the VIM on her shoes, and they came back out super awesome clean. Now, if this video is live and you're actually watching this video, it's because it actually really works even on these things. So if it works on these, then it's going to work on anything that we have that's white. So this is what I'm doing with you guys, is let's give this a try and see how much whiteness I can bring this back. Now, they used to be super duper white. I am very skeptical in bringing this back to white. There's no way. I know the leather and stuff like that, that will definitely work. This might, but there's no way. So anyways, this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna give this a try. So that's why I'm in the tub here, because I need something to rinse it off and need something to clean. So again, it's just your basic household cleaner, which is called the VIM. There's a couple of different brands out there. There's a couple of different kinds out there. I'm just using the original one, and I just want to see what happens if we do this together. So here we go. First hand view. Ready? I'm going to just put it on, let it soak in just for a bit, and let's keep adding it. I'm going to put it onto the leather part. We're going to put it on all over the place. Here, just get it all white and all wet. Like I said, I'm really skeptical on if it's going to bring it back, right? So I'm just basically using a scrubby brush here. So just your basic scrub brush. I still have the other boot here, so we'll be able to use a good comparison, but even now you can almost see like the whiteness is definitely a little bit different, but I don't think it's going to bring it super back. So again, probably depending on what kind of boots, and again, these ones were neglected for such a long time. You know how many puddles, how much water crossings these boots have actually been subject to, and a lot of dirt, a lot of mud. they've been abused for quite some time, and they were never really washed either, right? So ooh, let's see if we can try this on this side here. Let's add some more. Yeah, there's no way that plastic is not going to come back. The leather might be, but not the plastic. I had my hopes up. But mind you, they're still better than what it was, right? I think if you keep working at it, right, you can see the white is definitely much different. You can see it's almost coming through. I'm gonna have to keep on working on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep washing it, keep cleaning it, see if I can get it even better. Well, you know what? For the most part, I'm actually fairly impressed. So this is the one that I gave a good scrub for probably around 5 minutes there. And that's both with a scrubby brush and an actual brush itself, right? So just basically your sponge that you use for dishes, and then just an actual brush here. And with a little bit of VIM and some elbow grease. So as you can see, the white is definitely nice. It's super popping, right? It's actually come back. You can even see the plastic. Now, mind you, if I recall properly, it was a bit of an off-white already, this plastic. And then being that it was subject to sun and UV rays and stuff like that, you can still see a little bit at the top here as well, right? Where you're gonna notice a difference here actually, and this is also plastic as well. This is kind of like a rubber. This is even a regular washed with soap and water, and this is now a wash with the VIM itself. Definitely you can see the whiteness has definitely come back, right? In between the two, again, this is washed with soap and water. This is done with VIM. So the plastics, you can see there's definitely some difference. The top part as well, and the leather, but anyways, it definitely makes it a whole lot newer than what it was compared to what it is. And so there, it actually does work. Again, I did it on a pair of running shoes, a white pair of running shoes, and it made a huge difference. So if that's the case, anything that's white, whether it be painted products or plastic products or just leather, good cleaner, man, VIM. So always worth a go. I would say if you're going to try something on an untouched surface that you haven't done before, just do it at a small corner. Just do it somewhere where, you know what, if it does cause any chemical reaction, that you don't end up ruining all your paint. So you want to do it on an unvisual surface. If you're satisfied with the outcome of it, then go ahead and clean the rest. But yeah, for the most part, I'm pretty cool. I'm pretty happy about it. I like it. So there you have it, guys. At least it gives you something to do on cold winter, snowy days and stuff like that. So until next time, y'all be safe, be good, have fun, take care. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And don't forget, bikers, keep it covered.